I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot. Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. This was futile. I tried for years.
In this video, we will learn what is artificial intelligence. What are the three main advantages of AI? What are some disadvantages of AI technology? Is AI a threat to humanity? How AI technology can transform your daily life? And what is the future of AI technology? Hi, I'm Sean, and you are watching Science for You. Let's get started. Introduction. What is AI? The term artificial intelligence was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956. The term artificial general intelligence was first coined by Marvin Minsky in 1969. AI is a field that has been discussed for decades. AI is now making breakthroughs in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI has many different applications such as data mining, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI is an umbrella term that includes any artificial system which exhibits intelligence or behavior which is not yet fully understood or achieved in humans and animals. The meaning of artificial intelligence will be the idea and improved computer system programs that may generally do tasks and resolve issues that require human being intelligence. Things like aesthetic perception, address recognition, decision-making, and term interpretation are typical items that would ordinarily need intelligence specific to the news headlines. Artificial intelligence programs are generally able to use their intelligence and power to solve these jobs. In easy words, artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. It is also a field of study which tries to make computers smart. AI is a type of technology that is being used in different industries to solve problems. In the case of content writing, it can be used as an assistant to generate content ideas for a writer. Artificial intelligence is just a development. This is certainly technological, involves programming technology to problem resolution. Artificial intelligence is normally discussed in conjunction with machine discovering or discovering that is deep, huge information. This guide will dive deeper into exactly what intelligence is artificial, exactly how it's made use of, and what we can expect from it later on. Moving on. What are the three main advantages of AI? The first advantage of AI is its ability to make decisions quickly and efficiently. It can make a decision in a fraction of the time that humans would take, without any bias or emotional interference. The second advantage of AI is its ability to learn from past mistakes and predict future outcomes. It can learn from past data and predict what will happen in the future with an accuracy that cannot be matched by human intelligence. The third advantage of AI is its ability to process large amounts of data at a time, which allows it to come up with accurate insights about a given topic or problem. AI is a natural fit for any company that wants to improve customer experience. It can be used to analyze data, automate processes, and create content. One of the main advantages of AI is that it can be used in a wide range of domains, not just one specific field. AI can be used to diagnose diseases, predict weather patterns, create new medicines, and even help with traffic management. Everything has its pros and cons. So is AI. Here are some disadvantages of AI. Some disadvantages to AI technology are that it doesn't think for itself, it is limited by its database, and that the algorithm needs to be updated constantly. These three disadvantages can be seen as a positive rather than a negative. For one thing, AI technology isn't going to make any errors in spelling or grammar, unlike a human writer would. Also, because AI technology is limited by its database. This means that it will only give you the information that you ask for, which means you'll get more accurate results. Finally, if the algorithm needs updating periodically, then this just means the next generation of AI will be much more advanced than previous generations. But AI technology is not perfect. It has many disadvantages that are worth mentioning. AI technology does not have the ability to process emotions. AI technology cannot judge the quality of a product or service. AI technology is not good at making decisions about human matters. It cannot be used for creative tasks. There are privacy concerns and many more. AI has been around for a long time and it's been used in many different industries. But it's only recently that we've seen AI become more mainstream and start to replace human jobs in some cases. Some people are worried about this, but others think that this is just the natural progression of things and not much can be done about it. Moving on to the next question, and the most controversial question of this video. Is AI a threat to humanity? There is a lot of talk about the threat that AI poses to humanity. There are people who believe that AI will eventually be able to create more value than humans and take over the world. And there are people who think that this is just an exaggeration and we should not worry about it. The truth is, we don't know what will happen in the future. But if we want to find out, we should try to understand how AI works and its implications for our society today. AI is not a threat to humanity, at least till now. In fact, it can be a great help to humanity. For example, AI can help humans with the things that they are not good at and make them more efficient in their tasks. It can also provide better insights and predictions on the future of our world and how we should prepare for it. The only thing that AI is a threat to is jobs that require repetitive tasks or low-level skill sets, such as manufacturing jobs in China or call centers workers in India. The truth is that both sides have valid points. The answer to this question depends on what your company's needs are and how you want to position yourself in this ever-changing digital world. The utilization of AI technology is inevitable, but the time to make the choice is not now. We should first understand how AI will change our lives and how it will affect our jobs. It's important for us to know what we can do to prepare for this transition. Tech tycoon Elon Musk himself said in an interview with CNBC that AI poses a fundamental risk to human civilization and that it could be the cause for World War III. He also said that he would be surprised if people were not concerned about AI at this point. Elon Musk's concerns are valid because AI will have an enormous effect on society in the future. It will change how we work, learn, think, interact with one another, and how we live our lives. And also, Facebook AI shutdown incident. In August 2017, one of Facebook's artificial intelligence systems suddenly began to generate its own language. It was designed to translate between English and other languages, but it was not simply translating anymore. The system had created its own language from scratch. Facebook engineers decided to shut down the system in order to protect it from other AI, because they were afraid that the AI would create a new language that would be difficult for humans to understand or compete with. This is an example of how artificial intelligence can lead to unintended consequences if not monitored carefully enough by human operators or designers. What are your thoughts on this? Tell me in the comments. And finally, the last question. How AI technology can transform your daily life. And what is the future of AI? AI technology is transforming the way we live, work, and play. AI is impacting our lives in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. From self-driving cars to voice assistants like Siri and Cortana, AI technology has the potential to change the world as we know it. It is not a question of if AI will change your life, but how it will change your life. AI can help us make better decisions and predictions. It can also help us manage our time more efficiently. It can even be used to diagnose diseases and provide mental health advice. The future of AI is bright and will all benefit from its impact on our daily lives. It's difficult to predict the future of AI, but it's clear that AI will play an increasing role in our lives. This video have explored some of the ways that AI could change your life and your work, as well as some steps you can take now to prepare for this transition. There is a lot of controversy concerning the use of AI technology. On one hand, there are those who believe that AI is the future and will soon become a necessity for businesses to stay competitive. On the other hand, there are those who believe that AI will cause mass unemployment and threaten human existence. Now, what is the conclusion, you may ask? Well, the choice is yours on utilizing or abstaining from AI technology. So, what do you think then? Can we design AI with human values and morals? What are your thoughts on the connection between AI and World War III? What is the future of warfare and how does it relate to AI? Tell me in the comments, would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see you soon with another video. This is Sean signing off. Take care and have a nice day.